Hi, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV. Today we've got something really exciting in the studio that's going to allow you to really stand out at the campground and everywhere in between. It's our brand new premium exterior package with full body paint for Model Z. It's an absolute stunner, and it's going to bring more value to your camping experience when it comes to giving you a luxury camping experience, more durability, and a better performance overall. Let's take a look. The premium exterior package comes in two different color options. Currently we have the white option and also silver. If you decide to match your truck to it, even better. We also have an awesome feature that includes the raised and domed lettering that's all around the unit. And even the mountains that you can see here on the ramp door of this 3420 are going to be raised, which is going to give a sleek premium look from all angles, no matter where you're looking from. You may notice that the graphics on the sidewalls have a seamless transition even over the windows. We achieve this utilizing the custom silkscreen windows here. So awesome part about these is not only do you get that seamless transition and beautiful sleek look, but also you get added privacy because you can see out, but people outside can't see into your camper. The premium exterior package is built for durability and superior strength. It's going to give you a unit that's ready to take on the real conditions that camping brings. We achieve this utilizing the upgraded fiberglass construction. In the premium exterior package, the fiberglass will come delivered to us flat laid with an Azdel backer already on it. This is going to let us achieve a 30% thicker wall, which means you're going to have a stronger build altogether. Best part about the Azdel backer is that it is mold and mildew resistant, so that means you're going to have more peace of mind when you're out there camping in those wet and humid conditions. Another benefit of the fiberglass coming in flat laid is that it's going to prevent any orange peeling look or cottage cheesy look that the full body paints can sometimes end up having in the rest of the industry. As you can see, this is not your average full body paint exterior. This is our premium exterior package, and we go a step further than what the traditional norm in the industry is. Traditionally in the industry, you'll have a single step buff process that is called a skim buff. We go even further and we use the full cut and buff process. What this means is instead of a single step process, we have a 3-step process where we have 3 different stages of finer grit sandpaper that we progress through. Utilizing the full cut and buff achieves that beautiful sleek finish here that's going to give you that mirror-like shine. To top it off, we also utilize a triple clear coat, which is going to add to that strength and durability, giving you added UV protection and protection against the weather and for what's to come on the road ahead. Another Brinkley difference is that we utilize this same process on your baggage doors, skirt metal, entry doors, and we even get right up in there next to the window seams, your bulkhead and gooseneck area, and your front cap, including the ramp door on the 3420. These are all areas that other manufacturers are going to skimp out on. For even more added protection, we've provided the rock guard gooseneck protection area here. Your gooseneck and bulkhead area tend to see a lot of road debris as you're traveling, so we want to help prevent any sort of paint chips that could happen. And say it does happen, we also provide a paint touch-up kit for you. It's custom to the colorway of your unit. And then also we have your warranty registration information in here, as well as a QR code that will take you to our owner's hub for more exterior care guides. This isn't just paint, it's performance and it's protection. This is the Brinkley difference. The premium exterior package will be available in early September on new builds as an option. If you're looking for more information, be sure to contact your local Brinkley dealer or contact us at brinkleyrv.com.